Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install BlueStacks on your desktop. So let's begin. First, go to their official website. You can look up for BlueStacks on Google and select the first option, which says bluestocks.com. Then on the home page, you will see lots of features, but we only need the download option. As you can see, it's powered by Android. So we're going to click on BlueStacks download, run the installer. Okay. Then this might take a while. Just agree and install. Okay. So right now it has successfully installed the BlueStacks on my PC. Let me just put this on full screen. Then you can now connect your Discord or log into the account. Click on sign in and it will just open another web browser that you can log into. Okay, click on that. Then that's it. You're pretty much set up. You can now go search for any games that you would like to install in this best emulator so far out there, BlueStacks. So I hope you found this video very helpful.